If a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus k, if a polynomial is divided by x minus k, then the remainder is f of k. Then the remainder is f of k. चलो मैं आपको करके बताता हूं. I'll just show it to you. Suppose this is your polynomial, which is nothing but your quadratic polynomial, और मैं इसको डिवाइड करने वाला हूं x minus 2. So if a polynomial is divided by x minus k, let me find the remainder and let me verify it. I think I have taught you how to solve this guy, हाँ ना kids? आता है कैसे करते हैं?
Yes.
I don't remember, but did I teach you all? X square है, तो यहाँ पर x square आना चाहिए. So multiply by x. So x into
Yes,
x will
sir.
become x square. 2 into x. 2 into x will be minus 2x. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये मैंने सिखाया था ना आपको कुछ प्रीवियस क्लासेस में किड्स.
Yes, sir.
वापस बता रहा हूं मैं यहाँ अभी. व्हाट इज द मेथड आई विल टीच यू. आई डोंट रिमेंबर. आई थिंक आई हैव टॉट यू और नॉट. आई डोंट रिमेंबर. सी किड्स, हाउ टू डिवाइड इट. It is x square ना. You should try getting x square here. How to get x square? You have to multiply by something. So what is I will multiply? I'll multiply by x.
X.
या याद आया मुझे, मैंने सिखाया इसको. So x into x is x square. And then this will get multiplied. Minus 2 into x will become minus 2x. Then you will subtract. Subtract means change the sign करेंगे ना. So subtract करेंगे तो minus आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर plus आ जाएगा. ये subtract हो गया तो minus 3x plus 2x will become minus x. Is it okay? Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again. Now you should look at minus x and look at x, and you need the same thing. You need minus x here. I should multiply by what? I should multiply by minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So x into minus 1 is minus x, and minus 2 into minus 1 becomes plus 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
या याद है कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में सिखाया था मैंने आप लोग को. तो ये कैंसिल हो गया तो आपको रिमाइंडर क्या मिला? -6. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो इसको बोलते हैं डिविडेंड, डिवाइजर, कोशेंट एंड रिमाइंडर. Now let me verify it. They are saying if a function polynomial is divided by x minus k, then the remainder is f of k. So if this guy is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder should be what, kids?
F of 2.
F of 2.
Remainder should be f of 2, है ना kids?
Yes, sir.
So let's check f of 2 का value. Let me check f of 2 का value. So put x के बदले 2, हाँ? 2 का square, 3 into 2 minus 4. 4 minus 6 minus 4. What is the answer?
-6.
-6.
Isn't that true always then, kids?
Yes, sir.
So if any polynomial is divided by x minus k, then the remainder is f of k. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
let's try one problem, okay? Let's try this problem. Last problem for the day. Chalo. Expression. Let me call the expression as f of x. The expression has a remainder 5 when divided by x minus x plus 2. Remainder is 5 when divided by x plus 2. तो remainder क्या होना चाहिए आपके हिसाब से?
F of -2.
हाँ, f of x is divided by x plus 2, है ना kids? अरे हाँ के नहीं kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the remainder should be f of -2. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Remainder already given us 5, huh? So now you just have to put x as -2 here. So let me put x as -2. So I get 2 into -2 ka cube plus 3p minus 2 ka square minus 4 into -2 plus p. I get 5 equal to -2 ka cube is 8. Minus 8, that become -16. 4 3s are 12p plus 8 plus p. So kids, 5 equal to क्या हो गया? -6 plus 8 हो गया -8 plus 13p. So I get 13p equal to 13. So what is the answer? P equal to 1. Did you understand, everyone? Did you
Yes, sir.
understand, kids?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, तो फिर नेक्स्ट सम हम लोग फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे, चलेगा?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, एक मिनट. Yeah. Okay, so kids, let's start with the quadratic equation JE class. It's the second lecture of this session. Okay, coach. So kids, I spoke last time about remainder theorem. What did I say? If a polynomial is divided by x minus k, then the remainder is f of k. So I divided this quadratic polynomial with a linear guy, that is x minus 2. And after dividing it, I got the remainder as something. And I can verify for you all that remainder is same as f of 2. That remainder is same as f of 2, which I had done it last time. Okay, so let's go ahead. So we did this problem. If this expression is has a remainder 5 when divided by x plus 2. So if it's divided by x plus 2, then the remainder has to be f of minus 2. Is it okay, kids? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And then that's it. A remainder is 5, you equate it, and then you get the pika value. Okay, so we had done this problem last time. Okay, so kids, one small note to remember. Okay, now if a polynomial, some function, it can be anything, is divided by linear, then the remainder, remember, then the remainder will be constant. Please remember, if a polynomial is divided by a linear, then the remainder will be a constant. If a polynomial is divided by a quadratic, then the remainder will be maximum what? It can be linear or it can be what? Constant. एक मिनट, या आप देख लो अगर आपको नहीं पता चल रहा. देखो मैं वही तो बता रहा था ना. आप यहाँ देखो, हमने क्या किया था, हमने ये जो पॉलिनोमियल को एक लीनियर से डिवाइड किया. जब लीनियर से डिवाइड किया तो आपको रिमाइंडर क्या मिला? व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर? इज इट अ कांस्टेंट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
तो
sir.
वही बात मैंने लिखी है और कुछ नहीं. तो पॉलिनोमियल अगर आप लीनियर से डिवाइड करोगे तो 1 डिग्री कम होता है. रिमाइंडर जो होगा 1 डिग्री कम या उससे कम होता है. सो लीनियर का 1 डिग्री कम क्या हो जाएगा? कांस्टेंट. अगर आप डिवाइड करोगे क्वाड्रेटिक से किड्स, then the remainder has to be either linear or less than that. That is constant. If you divide by cubical, then the remainder will be either quadratic, maximum will be quadratic, or it can be linear 1 degree less, or it can be constant, still 1 degree less. And if the divisor is an n degree polynomial in general, n degree polynomial, then the maximum degree of the remainder that is possible, what it should be, what kids? 1 less, na? That should be n minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So keeping this thing in mind, let's go ahead. When an unknown polynomial is divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2, we obtain the remainder 2 and 1 respectively. मतलब अगर आप x minus 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो रिमाइंडर आपका हो जाएगा 2. मतलब आपका f of 1 is 2. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, जब आप x minus 2 से डिवाइड करोगे, at that time the remainder is 1, which means f of 2 is 1. Do you agree? F of 2 is 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, then find the remainder. Then they are saying, yeah, find the remainder resulting from the division of this polynomial. मतलब आप डिवाइड किससे करोगे? आप फाइंड द रिमाइंडर रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम द डिवीजन ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल, मतलब बाय डिवाइडिंग बाय क्वाड्रेटिक. तो आप किसी क्वेश्चन को, किसी पॉलिनोमियल को क्वाड्रेटिक से डिवाइड करोगे तो बोल रही तो रिमाइंडर क्या होगा, ढूंढ के दो. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सी आई हैव नो आइडिया, आई जस्ट डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट, है ना, पॉलिनोमियल बाय क्वाड्रेटिक. आप क्वाड्रेटिक से डिवाइड कर रहे हो और आपका रिमाइंडर उन्होंने पूछा है. नाउ इतना तो मुझे पता है, if quadratic is the divisor, now this is a divisor, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So then the remainder will be maximum will be a linear, then the remainder will be is equal to ax plus b. Will that do?
Yes, sir.
Since the quadratic is the divisor, आपका divisor quadratic है, तो रिमाइंडर मैक्सिमम क्या हो सकता है? लीनियर ही हो सकता है. आई होप दिस मेक सेंस.
Yes, sir.
1 डिग्री कम. ओके, अब आगे बात करते हैं. अब किds सवाल है कि सब आगे करेंगे कैसे? किड्स आई थिंक हमने स्कूल में, आई थिंक स्कूल क्या, मैंने खुद ने भी आपको बताया है, डिविडेंड 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 इज इक्वल टू, याद है किसी को? डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू
Divisor into
quotient into divisor plus remainder. Yeah. Dividend is equal to quotient. Okay. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Plus remainder. ठीक है. अब dividend क्या? Dividend is the polynomial itself and I have no idea. So let me call it as, for example, f of x. चलेगा?
yes,
Is it okay?
yes sir,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ओके जहां तक क्वेश्चन का सवाल है, क्वेश्चन मुझको नहीं पता, हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट द क्वेश्चन, लेट मी कॉल इट एज q ऑफ x. इज इट ओके?
yes sir,
ओके. डिवाइजर आई नो. व्हाट इज अ डिवाइजर? डिवाइजर इज दिस गाय. डू यू एग्री?
yes sir, yes sir,
So I get here x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is nothing but your divisor. And as far as the remainder is concerned, of course, my remainder is ax plus b. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
yes sir,
Now let's read the data. When an unknown polynomial is divided by x minus 1, remainder is 2. So can I say here from data, can I say my f of 1 is equal to 2? Chalega?
yes sir,
And my f of 2 is how much?
1.
1. Let's use this data. Chalo. Let's use this one by one. सबसे पहले मैं x को 1 पुट करता हूं मैं. ओके, सो लेट्स गो फॉर दिस फर्स्ट. ओके, मैं x को 1 पुट करूंगा. सो इफ आई पुट x as 1, now when I put x as 1, what will happen here?
0,
Of course, 1 put के तो पूरा 0 हो गया, plus a into 1 plus b. It's but obvious. What is f of 1 का value? 2 equal to a plus b. So I get here a plus b equal to 2. I have got one equation. Does that make sense?
yes sir,
Similarly, kids, similarly, my f of 2 is 1. Now, I'll put x के बदले 2. Let me put x के बदले 2. So, if I put x के बदले 2, again, what will happen to this guy?
0.
Pakka, na? Of course, this will become 0 because if x is 2, this 2 minus 2 will to pura disappear ho jayega, and I get, okay, sorry, 0 plus in place of x, I should put 2. So, a into 2 plus b. Now, f of 2 ka value is nothing but 1, huh? It is 1. So 1 equal to 2a plus b. So I get here 2a plus b equal to 1. Now can we get a and b ka values, kids?
yes sir,
I can subtract 2 and 3. So let me do it. So when I say 2 minus 3, let's see what happens. I get a minus 2a. A minus 2a will become minus a. B minus b will get cancelled and 2 minus 1 will be 1. So a is equal to minus 1. Is it okay? Chalega?
yes sir,
Okay. Now substitute a equal to minus 1 here. So I'll say substituting a into. So of course it is a plus b is 2. So I'll put a ke badle minus 1. So minus 1 plus b equal to 2. So my b becomes 3. Is it clear?
yes sir, yes sir,
Okay, chalo अच्छी बात है. So I've got a and b का value. So finally I have got the remainder because the question was remainder. You can just read it. Find the remainder लिखा है. Find the remainder. So finally I can say my remainder is, of course it was ax plus b. That was the remainder. So my a का value is minus 1 and my b का value is 3. So finally my remainder is 3 minus x and that becomes a final answer. Is it clear, kids?
Yes, sir.
yes sir,
So you can just look at the problem once again, kids. Basically, if you read the problem, in the problem, what they gave was they wanted a remainder and we are dividing by a quadratic. And since you're dividing by a quadratic, by default, the remainder has to be a linear guy only or below that, but maximum will be linear. And then I use dividend as quotient, divisor plus remainder. I have the divisor and the remainder and then, of course, dividend. Now, of course, when a polynomial is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 2. So f of 1 is 2 and similarly f of 2 is 1. I use the data and then automatically I can get a and b ka values. ठीक है ना kids?